Hey, hello. Welcome back to my channel. And these readings are for the week of July 21 to 27. So let's start. Ako na naman, Pisces. Nagpapadikta ka na naman sa ibang tao. Stop na, okay? I think it's high time that you realize that whatever it is that makes you unique, it's what's gonna make you shine. Okay, stop allowing others to dominate you. Pisces, you can do it on your own. You don't have to depend on other people. Okay, fight for yourself. Do what you think is right, and see yourself shine. Yes, and this has been your reading for this week. Next week, balik ulit kayo. Abangan ninyo yung next na reading natin. And like, subscribe, follow me here on TikTok and on YouTube. I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.